Hi guys, in this video we're going to create this beautiful imitation geode sliced with resin. I'm using DOS air dry modeling clay. And here are a couple of items we're going to use in this video. I'm using this silicone mat I bought from a kitchen supply store. It is originally intended for baking, but today we're using it for our resin piece. To completely remove dust particles, you can use a lint roller. Take the clay and shape it into a long strip. Now shape it into a circle. To prevent the resin from running underneath the clay, I'm using a sculpting tool to push the clay into the mat. This will also help to give a more organic shape to our piece. All resins are different, so mix yours according to the instructions. Remember that all of these supplies used in this video will be linked in the description box. I'm using Liquitex ink in muted turquoise to tint our resin. I'm also using some translucent glitter. Color pour pigments in silver. Alumilite white dye. And Jim Holtz alcohol ink in the color Pool. And now the fun part. As you can see, resin is very hard to control and will not create perfect circles when pouring. You can have more control if you wait for the resin to thicken a little bit more and then pour. There's not a specific order for the colors, just have fun with the process. And here you see me using a heat gun to move the colors around a little bit. When you finish, cover your work to prevent dust from sticking to your piece. Unfortunately, I lost the unmolding footage, but guys, it's not that hard. The clay hardens when it's dry, so after 24 hours I took it out of the mat and broke the clay. If there's pieces of clay stuck to the edges, you can submerge the piece in water and the clay will become soft and can be removed very easily. I also took a pair of scissors and cut the edges so they look extra clean. Our resin is still a bit flexible after 24 hours, so this part is very easy to do. And here it is. As you can see, it looks like a piece of the ocean. And you have two parts. You have the front part and the back part. You decide which one you want to use. I wanted to paint the edges in like a gold color, so here I'm using a Craftsmart premium paint. This one you can get it at Michael's. And here's the finished piece. I will let a link in the description box on how to make the purple geode, and please let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, the blue one or the purple one. Don't forget to let me know if you like this video by hitting the thumbs up. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do and hit the bell to receive notifications of new videos. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.